Good morning, guys, YouTube people world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half-Fast 719. We got a couple things from Amazon for the motorhome. We have this charger here. It's a 24 volt automatic battery charger and maintainer. It supposedly does lithium, AGM, lead, LiFePO4, so lithium phosphate, and repair. Does 12 volt at 20 amp and 24 volt at 10 amp. Choose the right battery. So anyway, and then we have this battery, DumFume. Anyway, so this is unboxing basically. So you got some short bolts and some short bolts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge this up to 100%. So this battery is supposed to be a 12 volt, 300 amp hour battery. Because the batteries in my motorhome are trash. So I'm hoping it's the right size. Supposedly it's the right size. Oh boy, it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. Oh my gosh. Ready to give us this heavy. What else we got in here? Nothing. Just an empty box. So, there is a lot of reviews on this battery. As far as them tearing it apart. But people tear these off, tear them apart, completely dismantle them, and they end up having EV batteries, EV cells in there at like 280 amp hour per cell. So, and then people are getting 305 amp hours out of these batteries. So, it is a phosphate battery, so you don't have to worry about venting it, it swelling, it catching on fire. Supposedly has 4,000 to 15,000 cycles on it. My motorhome does have solar, so yeah, I'm gonna throw this charger on here. I just got these from Amazon. I think it was $305 for this battery. Whereas the batteries that I have in the motorhome, they are 6 volt, 210 amp hour, but they're cooked. They're from 2023, so they're barely, I think they're just barely 2 years old, and the solar will charge them full to the graph. There's like 5 lines on this little battery. It'll charge them full throughout the day. I turn the lights, something else on, and it instantly just goes down to 1 bar. So we are going to charge these bad boys. You can tell it's from Amazon. There's a lot of excess metal on these cables, but it has an XT60. I think that's what these are called. Then just a standard connector here, 2-prong, and then these 2 cheap terminal connectors that are soldered-ish. So it's kind of a review unboxing on both of these pieces. I probably will not bring this box. So, beacon. Yeah, this is a local 909 number. I don't know. This is just Beacon Logistics. I don't know what it has to do with the battery. But yeah, that's it. It's just a distribution company place. Anyway, yeah, that's what we got, guys. I just need a cable. I probably should wash my hands. Just got back from Home Depot. And AAA and Target, you name it, we went there. We're gonna go to Walmart, but decided not to go to Walmart. So, with that being said, let me get this plugged in. It does come with a long cord, which is nice. Like, that's a solid 10 feet of cable cord. I can plug it into here. Sorry, I'm all sniffly because I just had to. What the heck was that? I just had to soak all the meat. Beeped. Just had to soak it with some apple cider vinegar. Cooking 2 racks of ribs. Smoking 2 racks of ribs. Anyway. Yeah, let me get all this undone. Let's see what this charger says. It says off, which I guess is good. Really auto selection if you have to push it, but I'm gonna throw it on AGM battery and I'm gonna see if it'll auto select it. Let's see. Throw it. These can only go one way. Drag this battery. Ooh. So yeah, so to replace these batteries, it's a lot of money. The 6-volt batteries, it's $280, I believe, per battery for the 6 volts, and they don't even last that long. So I decided to go with this since I have a solar charge controller, I have an inverter, everything in that motorhome, and then I'll do a video once it's all set up. I will have to run a couple different wires. I do have a breaker. So let's see if this auto detects anything. So what's it? Let's say an AGM battery. Not so much of a auto detect. We'll switch it over. Is at 10 something amp, 14.2 volts, 16.9 amps going into it. Thing's pretty loud, but I'm probably gonna keep this connected to the generator while the generator's on. I'll wire this in somehow to keep it charging. So you can see it's just hard to see the blue, but 25 degrees Celsius somehow, 0.2 amp hours, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Who knows about that? 14.2, 16.9 amps, 0.2 amps, 78 degrees. Anyway, I'm gonna let this charge and then we'll throw this all in the car. And then when I get to the motorhome, we'll throw this bad boy in there because like I was saying, I got two 6-volt deep cycle batteries, and I think they're basically trash. I bought a battery charger to charge them with, and they just charge all night. Anytime the generator's on, they just charge and charge and charge, and nothing ever happens. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let this charge like I said, and then when I get to the motorhome on Monday afternoon, I'll throw this thing in, rip those 6-volt batteries out, and hopefully that'll be good. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.